Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be doing for you a blackberry juice. I'm going to show you the ingredients what we're going to be using for today. Right everybody, so these are the ingredients what we're going to be using today. I've got some green grapes, I've got some black grapes, you can use red ones as well. I've got a lime and I've got a little bit of mint. You can use more, but my one's done its time for the season, so that's all I could find on there. And the blackberries, what I picked in a previous video, these are grown at the back of my yard along the school fence. When you do blueberries, you have to make sure that you wash them very properly because they're going to have a lot of the little spurs on them. So I've made sure that I've washed all these thoroughly. So I'm going to show you those, and then we've got a little bit, some sugar, and then just some water. So those are our ingredients today. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we've got our blender jug, and we've got another jug with a strainer because we're going to be straining out the seeds and everything out of that. So into our blender cup, I'm going to try and get some more of this water out. We're going to put our blackberries into our blender. I'm just trying not to use the spoon. So these was just like well, they grow there every year, but we don't really have never bothered with them. One time one of my brothers came up and they picked a tub full, but I don't really bother with them. But I said I'll give this a try and see. So that's your blackberries in there. Got my little bit of mint, and then I've got my black grapes. Right, so I'm going to blend this one out with some sugar. And you only need a little bit of lime, so when you're using your lime, just squeeze it a little bit like this just to soften it, that way you get more juice. And sometimes these limes ain't got a lot of juice in them anyway. This one seems to be alright. So that's about a teaspoon of lime, and I'm going to use half of this water. So I'm going to be blending out, doing it twice. So I'm going to blend this out, and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we've got the first lot blended out. You can see that's looking really nice, and then I'm just going to strain some of it. I'm going to strain about that much, just leaving some of it in, and I'm going to put our green grapes in. So that's our green grapes. Put the rest of our sugar in. And the rest of our water in. I'm going to blend out this one again. Just going to get this one through the sieve. You just have to be patient with this and just keep stirring it until it goes all the way down. So this is a bit what's going to take the longest to do. So once I've done this, I'll be back with you. Right, so just going to strain this through. This is our second batch. This is the one with the green grapes. So this is just getting rid of all the seeds and bits what you don't want in there. So this is the bit what takes the longest. So if you're liking our channel and like seeing what you're seeing, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment in the comment section, please feel free to do so. We do answer those that we can. If you want to see us do something else or try another fruit or something different, just drop us a line and let us know. And please remember, we also got a gardening channel which is called d.w.w gardening. Please go over to that one and like, share and subscribe. That's just showing you what I grow in my garden each year and the things that you can do in a small garden, plant in containers and that. So I hope you all will enjoy that channel. So I'm going to just continue doing this. When I've done it all, I'll come back to you. Right everybody, so we're down to the last bit of this now. You can see we've just got the skins and the pulp, the seeds, everything what you don't want is going to be in here. So we're just making sure we get all of it out. So that's all what you're going to have left in your strainer. Right, so I'm going to start the strainer now. Get my strainer rinsed out. I'm just rinse off my spoon. I'm going to give it a stir. As you can see, you've got it's nice and thick. So this is a stage where you can taste it and see if it needs anything. So that's all right as it is. So I'm going to just clear up a bit. I'm going to pour out a glass and let you see what it looks like. Right, so I'm going to show you what it looks like in a glass. Got some ice in our glass. As you can see, it's a nice and thick, so you're going to need the ice with it. And that's what it looks like in the glass. Blackberry juice. So thank you for watching and take care, and I'll see you all on the next one.